Entering Kansas. Colorado, a city that Colorado and Kansas share. I guess it has the best of both worlds. I don't know. All right. Still on the way to Wichita. We got a little bit ahead of us. Quite a ways. But, you know, we're getting there. Boom, boom, boom.
Sitting, I wonder sometimes where they've gone.
A little secret time. For that? 2 years ago?
Where's that dog?
She's over here.
Oh, there she is. Yeah.
Yo, yo, yo. We're in Wichita, road tripping. Taylor, Lacey. This one with her puppuccino, Luna. All right, we're doing a little food review here. We're at Spangles. Been here for 40 years. Boom, fry review. Okay, so here we go. Here's the packaging. All right, Taylor on the unpackaging. Okay. All right, I can see off the bat they're crispy, which I like. All right, cool. Here we go. Look at those fries. Look at the fries. All right. Okay. So now, again, what I'm about to say, I usually do a sacrilege moment. My sacrilege moment is right now, just off the feel of these. They remind me of when Burger King changed their fry recipe. I don't know. I think these are gonna be better though. So here we go. It's a good fry. I'm gonna go with, I don't know, 8-7. Solid fry. I'd travel here for these fries. I don't know, guys. What do you think? I know that you guys grew up on these, so.
Yeah, they're bomb.
Would you give it a rating? Numbers? Decimals? You don't
I'd
need
give it like
decimals.
an 8.5, something like that. 8.5.
Okay.
I would agree.
Yeah.
8.5, 8.5, 8.7, and I think that's like a 9.8 on the puppuccino. I'm just gonna, based off her face.
I would go further.
Yeah, 10.
Let's go with a 10. All right, road trip food review. Boom. Wichita.
Wichita.
All right, back in the hometown. Back in the hometown, we're gonna check out Keeper of the Plains. There's a cool bridge. There's a river. We just had some sick fries. That is the Keeper. Boom.
Back in Wichita, we are at Keeper of the Plains right now with Alton, Lacey, and the Doge. Good times, man.
Pretty sick. Check this out. We're in the kind of courtyard area. I don't know. Check it out. Really cool stuff. Kind of letting us know about Native American history, how it's tied to Kansas and Wichita, and just kind of the Midwest in general. Just gonna do a quick guide. All this cool stuff. Got another one. It's pretty bomb. Pretty amazing stuff. All right, beautiful river. They're coming right back here. Guys, lets us know of their circle of life, kind of the ideals they live by, the Native Americans. And here is the Keeper of the Plains.
So the sign would normally say Keeper of the Plains. However, now it is Keeper of Heap Hands. Heap Hands. Urinals are kegs.
That's incredible.
Even the sinks are kegs. Dude. I've never seen this before.
All right, this is the morning of day 3 in Wichita.
Day 3, yes.
I'm headed to St. Louis or Kansas City, St. Louis. Taylor, this is where his part of the trip continues. I move on. We're both pretty banged up from last night. I don't know if the GoPro, I don't know if you can tell by the look on us. This is what
it hurts.
looks like.
Yeah, everything hurts.
Yeah, man, but it's been an awesome broad trip. But yeah, we continue. All right, bro. Boom, off to KC. Hurting. Not gonna lie, I am hurting. Got banged up hard in Wichita. Woo! Yeah, Taylor and Lacey. Thank you for hospitality. Off to KC. Boom. What up? I'm in KC with Nicole. Hello. We just picked up Nicole's daughter, Everly, from daycare, and now I think we're gonna get into some barbecue. Yeah. I don't know. I'm gonna go, ooh, that's beer. I'm gonna go with an 8.5. 8.5. Wyandot. When in Kansas City, come to Wyandot. 8.5. Boom.